You look at the sign. So people see, yeah, what does that mean too? Also, yeah, this was discovered by Sergeant Pets.
What does that mean?
I think that's just Russ bars.